how you have seen AI in automation transforming procurement. If you can share some real life ideas with the people here, it would be really helpful. Over to you, sir.
Sounds good. Thanks, Tanmay, and thanks, Pankaj, for taking our time today. Really appreciate you bringing out this, I would say, an interesting topic, Tanmay, because I've been in this industry for almost now 25 years. At least what I feel is AI, or as we say, Gen AI, is no longer a choice, but has become a hygiene, right? See, Tanmay, and you asked that, take an example to quantify how AI is critical and important for maintaining the bottom line of an organization. See, all of us in a procurement scenario work towards finding the right cost for our organization and for the right partnership. Now just think about it, where does this right cost and right partnership come from? It's primarily from, I would say, the intelligence brains of multiple buyers, suppliers who are working alongside is what this intelligence comes out for. Now just think about it, this intelligence being available with a buyer, right on a click of a button, rather than waiting for, let's say, a day or week. And I was sitting into a leadership meeting a week back, and I was just remembering the days when I used to sit in those board discussions. And one of the board members asked me a question that, Arjit, what is that particular data point which you want to talk about? And I just need to just send messages to my team sitting outside. I've got my buyers, my data analytics sitting outside, right? And giving that data point to us. Now that's so very easy, seamless, just putting a query on an AI solution and you have your information available. Now that's something easier said than done. The most important part is how are you using and leveraging these solutions which are sustaining your business cases. AI for me is not just a fancy word. It's a methodology to empower my buying ecosystem to ensure that the insights which might get missed out from a human being, how can I get those insights and make my buyer more intelligent, more focused to work upon the thing. So that's my view.
That's a wonderful take on the specific topic and especially tracking the data points. And Pankaj sir, do you have any opinions on this?
Yeah, first of all, thanks Arijit for bringing out very key nuances out of the AI topic, and thanks Tanmay and Softune for having us here today. When we talk about Gen AI per se and the role of Gen AI into procurement, I think first of all, I think everybody knows that AI is not a choice today, and what everybody feels is that should I work on AI, should I not work on AI, what will happen? Some people are very afraid that AI, if I start using AI, I might lose the job. I think very popular saying is that AI is not going to take your jobs. It is the people who know the AI might take your jobs. That means you will have to learn the AI very fast in order to be with the flow and be up to date to the situation. When we talk about procurement, purchasing and the involvement of AI into that, very clearly the avenues are enormous. You start from very basic thing about supplier selection, as Arijit also mentioned about it. You need to have those predictive analysis in terms of which suppliers I need to go. Your existing data bank, which is available, which will be the food for the AI tool, is going to help you identify which suppliers can help you in terms of the sustainable sourcing strategies for the future. That is point number one. So supplier selection comes first. The second thing comes is in terms of contract management, in terms of costing strategies. This is something, costing strategy is something which AI is not doing today, but this is the future. And I think for Tanmay also, I think this is something which we need to understand, that how AI can work in terms of negotiation and cost optimization. Another basic thing is about spend rationalization, spend optimization, the analysis in terms of understanding what kind of things I buy and what I can buy in the future. That very basic work will be done by AI. It is already being done by AI nowadays. And something which is going to be the future is about the supplier performance evaluation, which we are not doing today. So this is also something which AI is going to help us in terms of evaluating the supplier performance, and based on that, you are going to give the award to the supplier for the next coming business. So I think going forward, I think lots and lots of work is being done on AI, and specifically to merge AI with the procurement strategies is something which we need to work upon. And I think Softcute per se, based on their work on the automation side, the Cost It Right, which they have built an excellent tool. I think this should be an extension to the Cost It Right, and you should start immediately in terms of having the module of AI built into your Cost It Right. I think that is going to really make a big difference in terms of helping the procurement teams, as well as it is going to help India in terms of shining brightly and coming forward in terms of saying that, okay, we have a company which can really work and collaborate with the existing automation tools and the AI tools.